So for Cypress, the web or the backend test automation, we are using the JavaScript as a programming language, right? So, what is JavaScript like? What benefits it adds for the test automation or the development, the front end and the back end?
Can I answer this question?
Oh, actually, it is for you. That is true.
Okay, thank you. So JavaScript is a versatile, high-level programming language used for web development and enabling dynamic and interactive content on website. In my backend API automation project, I use JavaScript to write test script for verifying the functionality of API endpoint, and JavaScript and asynchronous capabilities such as using async, await, and promises allowed me to handle API responses effectively, ensuring that test accurately simulated real-world interaction and validate the behavior of the backend service.
Got it. Okay. Understood.